चल यमुना गंगा उज्जल जलधि तरंग तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाए तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
भारत माता की जय, तिरंगी झंडे की जय। एक साथ वंदे मातरम शुरू करेंगे। शुरू कर।
वंदे मातरम सुजलां सुफलां मलयज शीतलां शस्यश्यामलां मातरं वंदे मातरं शुभ्रज्योत्स्ना पुलकितयामिनीं पुल्लकुसुमिता द्रुमदलशोभिनीं सुहासिनीं सुमधुरभाषिणीं सुखदां वरदां मातरं वन्दे मातरं वन्दे मातरं। जय।
डॉक्टर बाबा साहेब आंबेडकर की
जय।
अरे विश्राम घे विश्राम।
मेरी ज़मीं महबूब मेरी नस नस में तेरा इश्क बहे फीका ना पड़े कभी रंग तेरा जिस्मों से निकल के खून कहे
forest, the vast beaches of the Bay of Bengal and innumerable rivers. This is called the accident of geography. It was the first place in India where sati, polygamy and child marriage were abolished. The most popular festival celebrated in West Bengal is Durga Puja. Bengal women commonly wear the sari, usually made of cotton and silk. Men also wear the traditional costumes such as kurta, lungi and sarong. Uttarakhand is totally surrounded by the beautiful Himalayas and it is spread along with the 53,483 kilometers square. It is popularly known for its natural beauty of the Himalayas and Uttarakhand is referred to as a Devbhumi. The special and traditional clothes of the Uttarakhand is Kumauni, that the women wear the ghagra with the kameez, shirt as a blouse, and the national state fruit of the Uttarakhand is Khumani, as also we can say the apricot. The state of Uttarakhand is a heaven in hills and the land of mountains, land of heaven, land of army, land of educational hub. My hometown, heaven in hills, Uttarakhand. Thank you.
Friends, and happy Republic Day to all. Firstly, here I have made a chart of Ladakh.
area of Ladakh is 59,146 kilometers square. The special food items are momos, which are generally stuffed with minced meat and vegetables. Ladakh is famous for its incandescent mountains and valleys, all of which makes it a hot favorite amongst travelers. Hamis festival is one of the most famous festival in Ladakh. Men usually wear woolen robe known as goch, and women also wear robe like goch and known as kantop. And it is the most famous state for their hilly regions.
Happy Republic Day. I have made the map of Jammu and Kashmir. Jammu and Kashmir has a geographical area of 1,387 square kilometers. The famous food of Jammu includes Kashmiri pulao, rajma and aloo dum. Some are mani, katha meat and mithai bhat. The state is famous for its small-scale and cottage industries. It is also famous for its natural beauty. Festivals of Jammu and Kashmir are Lohri, Holi, Baisakhi, Navratri, etc. Pehran is the most typical attire of Kashmiri, made which both Muslim and Hindu wears. Srinagar is the summer capital and Jammu is the winter capital of Jammu and Kashmir. Thank you.
National parks and wildlife, etc. Festival of water is famous Durga Puja, traditional cloth of Sambalpuri sari. Good morning to present here all. Today, as we know that it is the 72nd Republic Day of our India. So I wish you a very happy Republic Day. I am representing the state of Uttar Pradesh. The area of Uttar Pradesh is 2,43,286 kilometers square, and it is the third largest state of our India. Then it is also the birthplace of the Shahanshah of Bollywood, none other than our Amitabh Bachchan sir. The main food of the state is sabji, naan, dal, mango pickle, and the mutton kofta, as it has both non-veg and the veg people. UP is also known as the state of Nawabs. The speciality of the state is its rich heritage. It contains many Mughal monuments and many British monuments also, and also it is famous for its arts and culture. Kalamkari art is main art in UP. Then the main festival of the UP is Taj Mahal festival, as it occupies the our 7 wonders of India. Taj Mahal, it is celebrated in UP on 18th February to 27th February. Then the costume by the man is kurta pajama, and by the woman is salwar kameez. It is a very colorful state, as I love it the most. The area of the state, Jharkhand, meaning the land of forest, it is state in eastern India. It has an area of 79,710 kilometers square. It is the 15th largest state in the by area and 14th largest state by population. Hindi is the official language of the state, and its famous food is dal pitha, and pitha is made by boiled rice flour. It is prepared during festivals. And the specialty of the state, Jharkhand is the leading producer of mineral wealth in the country, with a vast variety of minerals like coal, iron ore, copper ore, graphite, limestone and uranium. wears dhoti kurta, known as pancha.
Very colored. Good.
Very good morning and happy Republic Day. I made the chart of Rajasthan. The area of the state is 1,32,239 kilometer square. And the famous and main food of Rajasthan is dal bati churma, gatte ki sabji, kachori, lal mas, raab, etc. The speciality of the Rajasthan is that it is also known as the land of king.
Festivals. Why are you saying always?
Festivals of the state are Pushkar Camel Fair, Teej, Udaipur Mewar Festival. And the traditional clothes of the state are dhoti kurta for men and ghagra for women.
Today I am presenting the map of Punjab and some information about that state.
See how nice spirit voice is coming properly to us.
To all of you, I am Dhanashri Patte and I have made this map of Sikkim. Sikkim is a state in northern India. Its area is of 7,096 kilometers square. Sikkim people usually eat rice, green vegetables, potato. Sikkim come under the suzerainty of India, which control its external affairs, defense, diplomacy and communication. In other respects, Sikkim retains administration autonomy. Some of the most popular festivals is notable in Sikkim are Roshan, Jukta Teki, Numeku, Sagalava, the Neem and the Pensal. The Ho and who is a traditional dress worn by
The area of the state is 38,863 square kilometer and 15,005 square miles.
And not or.
Kerala is the 21st largest state in the India, and the famous food of Kerala is uttu and kadla curry. This is a breakfast. Falsi biryani, Malabar paratha with beef curry, payasam dessert, and the specialty of Kerala is Ayurveda, waterfalls, art forms, cuisine, wildlife and hill stations, museum, monsoon beaches, responsible tourism, village life experience. Traditional cloth of Kerala is traditional dress of men, mundu and lungi, and traditional dress of women is mundam.
Famous food of Odisha is rice, roti and dal. The specialty of Odisha is Odisha state by India and the 11th largest by population. The festival is Durga Puja. Traditional dress is sari, dhoti kurta and gamcha. The area of the state is 1,55,707 kilometers square.
Myself Chandan Singh and I have made the chart of I have made a map of Chhattisgarh state. Chhattisgarh state is created on 1st of November 2000 by separating from Madhya Pradesh. It has an area of 1,35,192 square kilometers. It has a main dish is dahi and road. It is a leading producer of minerals. It has an traditional dress of Lugda.
From standard 9, I have made the chart of state Bihar, and I have written also some information about state Bihar. Area of state Bihar is
Say clearly, slowly and loudly.
area of state Bihar is 94,163 kilometers square. Special food of Bihar is Bihari kababs and litti chokha. Speciality of Bihar is Great Buddha statue, as it contributed to tourism. Main festival of Bihar is Chhat Puja. Traditional clothes worn in Bihar is dhoti kurta for men and sari for women.
I made map of Assam. Assam is a state in northeastern India situated south of the eastern Himalayas along the Brahmaputra and Barak river valleys. It covers an area of 78,458 km square. Rice is a part of all meals here. A traditional breakfast consists of
many happy returns of the Great Republic Day. This is the map of Andhra Pradesh. Area of Andhra Pradesh is 1,60,405 kilometers square, and this is also known as the rice bowl of India, for being the major producer of rice in India. The food is famous in Andhra Pradesh is puli bhora and Andhra chicken biryani.
Happy Republic Day to all of you. This is the Arunachal Pradesh census. The area of Arunachal Pradesh is 83,743 kilometers square. The staple food of Arunachal Pradesh is rice. Arunachal Pradesh has close to 61,000 square kilometers of forest, and the forest products are the most significant sector of economy. Sonam of Aedis is the most popular festival of the Aedis of the Arunachal Pradesh, celebrated on 1 September. Mushaks is the traditional cloth of Arunachal Pradesh.
Okay.
Made map on Karnataka. Speciality of Karnataka, the state of Karnataka is one of the prominent tourism hubs in India. However, tourism is just one of the facts of Karnataka. Feel the awareness of my strength with all the
Navratri, Janmashtami, etc. The traditional clothes of Ghangra, Choli, Dhoti, Kurta, etc.
Myself, Sujat, and I am showing the map of Manipur. Area of Manipur is 22,327 kilometers square, and their food is rice, fish, and leafy vegetables. And specialty is khamba, kuibi dance, and festival is Yosang, and traditional dress is Inapian and
My name is Ramana. I am the map of Madhya Pradesh. The area of Madhya Pradesh is 3,08,245 kilometers square, and their special food is poha and jalebi, dal bafla, etc. The specialty of Madhya Pradesh is that largest reserve of diamond and copper in India. More than 30% of its area is under forest cover. He got the National Tourism Award in 2010 and 11. Festival of Madhya Pradesh is Maula Utsav. Traditional cloth is dhoti for men and lehenga and choli for women.
It has a contribution for
turning from Mizoram accounted for about 238 million Indian rupees in the Indian economy in fiscal year 2018. This value was an increase to the previous year. Contribution for turmeric from the state festival. Celebrated in 21,081 square feet kilometer population.
Chana Madra and Dham specialty concept stone and festival, Puri festival and Laos. Traditional cloth, Ghagra choli, Salwar kameez.
Specialty Maharashtra is the second most popular state in India as well as the second most popular country. Maharashtra is known for its garment of painting. And Maharashtra is India's leading industrial state, contributing 30% of national industrial output. Maharashtra has its contribution in the field and industry also. First Patas Dhoti and area of state 3,07,713 kilometers square.
Goa's traditional festival is Sigmo or Kisi Rostro, and their traditional clothes are Kanavaju and Vartan or Kashmir. Specialty of Goa is there are many beaches.
बिखरे बिखरे